not just for the primary card holder.
Fair.
So
That's how it is. Tell me one card जो सबसे exclusive card है Visa का. Like how there's one of the most, like one card which is very talked about is American Express, Centurion.
Correct.
Something like that. Does Visa have something?
So
like
we
around the world, Visa का सबसे exclusive card कौन सा?
So we have, absolutely, there are many cards in the US. One of our most exclusive cards is a card that we do with JP Morgan. It's called the Sapphire card.
क्या होता है इस card?
Again, a lot of those values and benefits people will be able to relate to in the US, but the kind of rewards you get for the same level of spend is very, very compelling. In India, we launched a card with Axis Bank, which is called the Primus, the Axis Primus card. So it's one notch higher than even the Burgundy Private card, and it is so we have a.
क्या मिलता है Primus में लोगों को?
So again, there's a whole host of things there, but there's like a concierge service, and it's not only the standard set of value and offer. If you require something that is very, very bespoke, आप concierge को phone करेंगे and the concierge will help you. So I'll give an example. When we launched the Primus card, one of the first calls that the concierge received was a family wanting to get a table reservation at a Michelin restaurant in Paris. That's normal. बहुत सारे concierge services around the world will get that for you, nothing big. But this family said that, look, we have a 8-month-old baby and we don't want to leave the baby anywhere. So this restaurant has to allow us to bring this baby.
8-month.
Right? Now, many Michelin star restaurants may not allow children, and definitely children below a certain age.
Because रो के ambience खराब करेंगे, experience खराब
कुछ भी हो सकता है, right? Now, obviously, that's like a private request. I wouldn't know exactly how we managed to fulfill that, but that's the kind of level of customization that the concierge service offers. So I could list out a whole host of benefits, but benefits are benefits. The real value of the highest tier of card is things which are not measurable only in terms of money or benefit. तो अगर मैं आपसे ये कहता कि इस कार्ड पे for every 100 rupees of spend you get 5 points or 5 miles, whereas some other card gives you 3 miles. It's okay. I mean, somebody can relate to that, somebody may not relate to that. But the real power of the highest tier of cards is that ability to really deliver bespoke, customized experiences which matter to that customer. अब किसी को मिशलिन स्टार रेस्टोरेंट चाहिए तो किसी को they want an entire safari trip to South Africa planned, somebody wants something else, and I just happen to give 2 examples of travel, but I'll give a completely different example. When Coldplay was playing in India, कितना था tickets का demand. अब किसी कार्ड होल्डर को अगर Coldplay के tickets चाहिए या Taylor Swift के tickets चाहिए या 2 साल पहले 3 साल पहले जब वर्ल्ड कप का फाइनल्स हो रहा था, कुछ लोगों को कतर और अर्जेंटीना का मैच का टिकट चाहिए था. अच्छा, अगर आपने
कतर में अर्जेंटीना फ्रांस का फाइनल,
कतर में अर्जेंटीना फ्रांस का फाइनल्स, एंड अगर आपने 3-6 महीने पहले टिकट्स बुक कराने थे, दैट इटसेल्फ वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट सम पीपल विल डिसाइड 1 week before when it is clear कि मेसी is going to be in the final कि हमको उसके लिए जाना है. अब उस वक्त तो nobody is selling tickets unless somebody already has it with them. So the bespoke concierge services that are there for the highest tier of cards in the world are sometimes, I'm not saying it is guaranteed, even able to get you something which is commercially not even available. Because 2 weeks before the final, all tickets are all sold out, right? Or 1 week before the final. So those are the kind of things that people value beyond money. And there is no set play for that. You just have a service which you call and say, मुझे ये चाहिए. आप
वो figure out कर लो.
आप figure out करो. And these customers are not shy to pay for it.
पैसे तो भरने ही पड़ेंगे.
हाँ.
जो extra price होगी, that you have to pay.
That you might discuss कि भाई चलो, what rate are you getting me at? It's not a blank check. But some of them are, they said, look, we don't care. कि कितने पैसे भरने पड़ेंगे, आपको बस चाहिए. आप कर दो. आप कैसे करो ये, this is your problem. So I'm just trying to communicate that, because like I said, I can list out a bunch of things, but
so the question of the day is, right, how do we get FIFA 2026 tickets?
First sign up for a Visa card. And actually, Raj, there is a window of pre-sale that is being opened for Visa card holders to enable them to bid for FIFA tickets. That is already happening, by the way. So if you are seriously interested, I have to share that link with you, because that pre-sale window is opening. And then there's, of course, we do get a certain number of tickets for India, which we allocate to our bank partners and say, here's something you can offer your clients.
बांटो.
हाँ, तो वो तो है, बांटो उसको. तो वो तो होता ही है. पर there is a general site that gets opened for FIFA, for Olympics, for all card holders to put in a bid. And it's very interesting. This FIFA, you put in a bid and it's a dynamic model by which tickets are going to be allocated.
Yeah. Are you going to the finals?
Haven't decided yet.
You can at any point.
ऐसा नहीं है.
Tell me more. I like this part. Tell me some crazy insights and data और क्या कहाँ से चीजें. You must be going through this over the years.
Right.
Every month आपको ऐसा कुछ ना कुछ मिल रहा होगा. इस country में युवा, उस country में युवा, इधर से ऐसा data मिला, something like that.
You know, there are some myths about cards. And why is it important to give people a better understanding of cards and what I would call responsible credit. जब लोग एक क्रेडिट कार्ड लेते हैं तो उसके साथ साथ एक जिम्मेदारी भी बनती है. And how do you fulfill that, right? तो इंडिया में today we have about 1 billion debit cards.
1 billion debit cards.
1 billion debit cards. So about